Hello, so today we're going to be setting up TensorFlow version 0.10 with Python 2.7 or 3.5 on AWS GPU-instance. So the first thing you have to do is SSH into your instance. If you're not familiar with it, very simple. SSH, this I is basically just saying you have a PEM file afterward, and I didn't include it. So okay, and then SSH in. It'll take a second. I haven't logged into this instance before. Okay, so I basically made a bash script. I took it from a really good blog, modified it. Installing TensorFlow 0.9, and I made it for Python 2.7. Essentially, you just update CUDA, CU, deep neural network library, and Anaconda and such. So essentially, I just download the bash script using wget, and then I'll install it. Okay, so the procedure is exactly the same for Python 3.5. Again, thanks to the blog post, and wget, and then bash in the script. Okay, so I made a public AMI of this. This is Python 2.7. I'll make one for Python 3.5. If you guys have your own AMIs, part of the reason why I made this video is to request that we have a common place to share our AMIs. I mean, I know Amazon has it too, but whatever. And that's essentially it. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on your instance. Just to briefly go over the code. So first, you basically just update your apt-get. You install CUDA. CUDA basically just enables your GPU processing. And then basically you get your CUDA deep neural network implementation. This basically allows low-level performance tuning on the GPU, so you don't have to do it, so you can make software. It's essentially what they say on their website. And then you basically, since you basically made a bunch of configuration changes, you export the library path of CUDA and such to your bash.rc file, and then you install Anaconda. Well, I prefer Anaconda. And after you install Anaconda, you finally install your TensorFlow binary. A few things will change with the 3.5 installation, but essentially you basically just change the binary, and well, that's about it. You can change your CUDN, your CUDA version, etc. And the rest of this is just installing monitoring programs like htop. And then afterward, you basically let everyone know your bash.rc file has changed, and you basically reopen bash. Okay, so I'm going to stop this video, and we're going to test it when it's done installing. Okay? Okay, so TensorFlow just got done finished installing. So where were we? So htop, everything's done installing. I opened Python and essentially just did a hello world, imported TensorFlow, tf.constant, started a session, and then session.run, and then hello world. That's it. If you have questions, just please let me know. Also, I'd recommend setting up Jupyter. I have a video on that. It really helps with development and just seeing what you're doing, because this is not too clear. So have a great one, and please subscribe.